Hey. What to say? Antonio.
Right then. Right. Ciao. Ciao. Let's go now.
Take a picture of him. Watch your people go past.
Connie, watch your legs.
Connie, watch your legs.
Right.
People going past.
Okay.
Nice joke that.
Tony's always closes outside trouble.
Hey, yeah.
What did it look like?
Where's that just found?
Oh, same place.
Hello there. Hello. I got you on the camera now.
Okay.
This is the old balcony.
Yeah.
So this is exactly the same. Length is 1000.
Okay. Just the one now. That's for that one. Where's the other one now?
You reckon that's cracking?
Cleaner.
Yeah, come on.
It's clean.
How long it took me to clean it?
Yeah. Oh, it was like that, or it was worse.
Clay barred it.
Oh.
Clay barred it.
Got ya.
Polished, compounded it.
Yeah.
It's original paint, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. Nice one. You don't see many. Nah. Don't see many of these. Okay.
1980s. Are the Japanese imports?
Yeah, yeah. Well, I see there's a Japanese
You
import.
got the picture on there, do you?
Yeah, I got a picture in there. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, ciao.
Have a nice one.